work for it. I'm on my shit, and when I'm walking by, I know the truth is, he wanna know.
What's up YouTube, it's Ali and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do like layered loose curls with my flat iron. So yeah, this wig is from UNice Hair. This wig actually already came burgundy. I didn't dye this myself, so if you want to get this wig, the link will be in the description and all the details and all that. Yeah. So basically what I'm doing right now is just making sure that the wig is straight, because I just like curling my hair when the wig is already straight. Now I'm not silk pressing it, but like I'm gonna make sure that it's straight so the curls could come out even better. So yeah, I was just running through the flat iron like a couple of times. I wasn't really like, you know, trying to get it really straight like I said, but you know, this is just like a gist of what I do. So now I'm just parting my hair to make sure I know what side I want my curls to be on, and then I'm going to go in with my She Is Bomb hair wax stick to get rid of all the flyaways and to make sure that this wig is really flat. Like if you know me, I love a flat wig. Like I cannot stand a bulky wig, so I'm just hot combing that to make sure that everything is like, you know, neat. I did that a couple of times because I actually took this wig right out the box. Like I didn't bleach the knots, I didn't wash or anything, so this is like straight out the box. Yeah, I already plucked the wig off camera. I didn't even need to bleach the knots because, you know, it wasn't black, so I just left it how it was. But if you want to see me do a video on how I bleach my knots and pluck my hair, I'll definitely do a video for you guys, so just let me know in the comments. And here, basically what I'm doing, I wanted to get like a layered look. So basically what I was doing, I took like a razor and then I took my scissors and like cut the hair into layers so it's not all one even length. I wanted it to be like really like big and voluminous. So yeah, I just took some scissors and was like cutting, not really cutting it, but you see what I'm doing. I'm like layering the hair so it's not all like one length. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not a professional at cutting hair, so like doing these layers kind of took a long time, and I kept going back and forth with the scissors and the razor because I don't know, I just feel like it wasn't enough layers, so then I kept going back and like it really took a long time. But after a while I was like, alright, I'm satisfied. So as you guys can see, in the beginning I started off with a curling, well yeah, a curling iron, not a curling wand, but basically I haven't used this curling iron in like years, and I forgot where I even got it from. Like I don't even know where it's from, how long, like I don't even know. Like this is an old curling iron and it wasn't working. Like it literally was not curling the hair, well at least like not the way I wanted it to be. So yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm not doing this. Let me spray this with some hairspray and go on to the next piece of hair and just use my flat iron, because I don't have time to be sitting there all day going over the same piece of hair like 5,000 times. So I was like, you know what, yeah, I'm gonna use my my flat iron, because everybody knows like flat iron curls, those come out mad nice. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna use that, and it's easier and it'll stay if I put the hairspray. So I just started doing that for the rest of the hair. Now what I am gonna say is on the left side of the hair, I made sure that the curls were going like to the right, so like away from the face. And on the right side I did the same thing, but it was going the opposite way. So like regardless of what side I was on, the curls were going away from the face, you know, it wasn't going towards. I wanted that like that swoop kind of look, well especially in the front, you know, with the bangs and stuff. But that's what I was doing like around the whole entire head. Okay, so 5 years later, I'm finally finished curling the hair. It literally took so long. But yeah, this is the curls. I didn't brush them out yet, obviously. Like, I wanted it to be brushed out. But I'm just making sure like the top is flat, and then I went in with my fingers to separate the curls first before I use the comb, because I didn't want all the curls to just drop automatically after I just spent like hours trying to curl the hair. So yeah, I separated the curls with my fingers first, and then I went in with like a hot comb once it was on my head to make sure the wig was flat. So in this video, I didn't show you guys how I installed my hair because that wasn't like the point of this video. But right here, I'm just like putting concealer in the part to make sure, you know, it's really looking like a scalp, you know? So I just started hot combing the top of the hair to make sure it's flat like I said. And honestly, these curls didn't come out as big as I wanted, so I feel like I could have added way more layers. But as you guys can see, like the curls are going away from my face, they're not going towards, and that's what's gonna give you like that swoop kind of effect, you know? Like, I don't know what to call it. It's just like, it's just a nice effect. I don't know, I like the way it looks better like that. So this is how I curled my hair using this burgundy wig from UNice, and that's pretty much it for this video. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you comment down more hairstyles you want me to do, and I'll do them for you. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.